Here's how to whisper in Roblox. So in order to whisper someone on Roblox, you need to first launch your web browser, then go to roblox.com and log into your specific account. Now open any Roblox game that allows chat. I'm going to go ahead and launch Dress to Impress. Now once you're inside the game, tap on the chat in the top left corner of your screen. And from the window that appears, you need to go to the chat bar and type in /W. And here you'll get the option of whisper. Go ahead and tap on that. Select whisper, hit spacebar, and type the player's username. Then Roblox will automatically detect the player. Now you can type your message and press enter to send a private whisper to that player. They can then respond to you privately as well. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.